Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to install Facebook Pixel on your Wix website. Now this is very simple, very easy. All you have to do is go to your site, select the site right here. We'll select this site just for the purpose of this tutorial. You'll need a little bit to load it up, as you can see. Now what you will need to do is you will need to go to marketing and SEO, and then here go to video, where it is Facebook and Instagram ads. You have marketing integrations. Go here, and once you click on marketing integrations, as you can see, you will be able to connect Facebook Pixel and CAPI. As you can see, you can track conversions and measure the success of Facebook campaigns. So you can click connect, and this is the whole basically thing that you need to have, right? You first need to have premium plan to connect. You will need to add unlimited marketing integrations with the premium plan, so make sure to go with premium plan. I don't have it. Then click connect to Facebook. You will need to follow the steps in order to install Facebook Pixel and apply it to your website. Next, you will need to verify your domain on Facebook, and then you need to choose events to track and add them to your site, which is recommended. So this is basically very simple, very easy. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below. And other than that, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.